Muddy shoes, backpacks everywhere, coats draped over every chair. If this sounds like your home after a busy day, it's time to talk about one of the most underrated spaces in modern home design, the mudroom. You know the scene. Soccer practice ends, the dog's paws are muddy, and somehow everything ends up on the kitchen floor. At AV Architects and Builders, we have seen it all. And we've also seen how one small design change, a well-planned, beautifully built mudroom, can completely transform how your home functions. I'm Sofia Alonso Wolf with AV Architects and Builders, and today we're talking about modern mudrooms, how to bring style and function together in one of the hardest working spaces in your home. What is a mudroom? Think of your mudroom as the gatekeeper of your home, the bouncer who keeps dirt, mess, and chaos from crashing your main living space. It's where shoes come off, backpacks get parked, and coats finally hang on somewhere other than your dining chair. Old school mudrooms were tiny and purely functional, but modern mudrooms? They're stylish, durable, and designed to fit your family's lifestyle. They can include seating, storage, even laundry zones, all while looking like part of your home's interior design. The benefits of a modern mudroom. A great mudroom isn't just about neatness, it's about sanity. Here's what the right design can do for you. Protect your floors from dirt, mud, and mystery puddles. Reduce morning chaos by giving every item a home. Add organization for shoes, coats, backpacks, and even pet gear. Create a clean, welcoming entry that sets the tone for the rest of your home. And it doesn't have to feel like a utility closet. With the right materials, lighting, and finishes, your mudroom can be just as beautiful as it is practical. Why Northern Virginia families need one. In Northern Virginia, life moves fast. Between kids, sports, pets, and weekend adventures, things can get messy fast. A well-designed mudroom becomes your buffer zone, a calm, organized transition space that keeps the rest of your home spotless. It is not about perfection. It's about designing for real life. Why mudrooms are making a comeback. For years, mudrooms disappeared from new home layouts. Open concept designs took center stage, and families were left juggling clutter with no real drop zone. But now, they're back, and better than ever. As daily routines get busier, families want spaces that work smarter. Modern mudrooms are multifunctional hubs, part entryway, part storage, part mini command center. Old versus new mudrooms. Let's compare. Old mudrooms had one hook, one bench, and a pile of shoes. A modern mudroom has built-in cabinetry, cubbies, charging stations, and finishes that actually make you want to stay organized. The difference is simple. Today's mudrooms are designed with intention, and they work just as hard as you do. Mudroom Essentials. So what should every great mudroom include? Seating, like a simple bench, making shoe removal faster than yelling, "Take off your shoes." Storage cubbies that give everyone their own space and say goodbye to, "Where's my backpack?" Hooks for coats, bags, and all the daily extras. Durable flooring, because wood and mud don't mix, and tile or luxury vinyl is your friend. Laundry or cleaning zone, perfect for wet clothes, sports gear, or messy pets. Lighting and decor, don't forget style. Function doesn't have to be boring. A modern mudroom isn't just another room. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It's where organization meets design, where chaos turns into calm, and where your home starts to work for you. If you're building a new home or planning a remodel, don't overlook this small but mighty space. It's one of the smartest investments that you can make for your daily peace of mind. Thinking about building a custom home that's designed for real life? Schedule a discovery call with our team today, or visit our learning center for more design ideas and inspiration. And if you could design your dream mudroom, what's one feature that you would add? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.